Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khosrow Sukhanvar, trader and investor in financial markets. Many people ask me about the recent rally of cryptocurrencies and a good entry point. I'm recording this for those people to see where can be our entry point again. I should say that we should have entered already in these prices, like these low prices, not right now. Right now, everything is risky. If you enter right now, you should accept the risk of a pullback, like as much as 20%. Like you wake up tomorrow and see that your portfolio is down 20%, you should accept it. Or if you're looking for a safe and good entry price, you have to accept the risk of being left by the market, being left behind. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin. Okay, in this chart, we have had a spike here, then a channel, then we've had a trading range. At this price, uh, in those videos in Persian, we told people that because this zone has been crossed by the price will go again to this trading range. Okay, we're back right now in this trading range. We expect the price to be between these two prices, 30K to 65K for a long time again. We had here an important resistance which the price crossed it. Okay, so in my opinion, there is no any major resistance anymore, all the way up to all-time high, like 65K. Okay, if you're looking for a safe entry price, you're seeing here a flag, first touch, second touch. If there is a correction, we can expect the price to react to this trend line again. But I again say that it might happen and might not happen. Like the price can easily go up, leaving behind everyone. Another important zone is these highs here. Because again, here we had a spike, channel, multiple corrections, and here we had a small trading range between this zone and this zone. And we crossed it with a very strong candle, so it can be a good entry price if the price hits that zone around 31,500. Okay, so it was about Bitcoin. Let's see some altcoins. First one is Polkadot. Here again, look, you had to enter at this price. Not listening to those big brains who were giving target like $1 even below pre-sale price. No, it's not gonna happen. Because we had here a spike, channel, multiple corrections, and a trading range. And from our methodology, we already know that this first low is super important. So we had to buy here, not looking for an entry price here. But if you have been left behind by the price, looking for an entry price, we can see a flag here. You can wait for the price to hit that trend line, and on this trend line, you can enter the Polkadot. Like if something like this happens. Okay, I should mention that nothing in these videos is financial advice. It's up to you whether to buy or sell. It's just for educational purpose. So consider it just as educational material, not as a trading advice or financial advice. Okay, here for a bigger view, we had here a spike, channel here, and a trading range. So in a smaller time frame, we have a trading range between this zone and this zone. So it can react to this uh, resistance. But if the same thing that happened in Bitcoin happens here, we might cross it. And if we cross it with a strong candle, we can have a target for it. From here to here, the target will be around $18. But because it's a trading range in total, personally, I expect the price to reach the all-time high again. Okay. And about Cardano or ADA, we had a trading range here between these two zones because it was a channel. Okay. Then with by a spike, it broke it, and again another channel and a trading range here and here. So we already broke a small trading range. So the target for this breakout can be, if we just copy this to here, can be around 93 cents. If you're looking for safe entry price, it can be on this zone, this broken top line of this trading range here, around 47 cents to go to 90 cents. About algo, it was all the same. We had here a spike, dropping a spike, channel here, and a trading range. And about this trading range, first was here between this zone, then we could draw a trend line here to form a flag, and now our trading range is between these two zones here. From market cycle point of view, this low was important, so we had to buy here, not waiting for here. Okay, again, if you're looking for a safe entry price, it can be considering this flag here, which we can see that this flag already worked. One touch, two touch, and in the third touch, it worked. So we don't expect this trend line to be valid anymore. So for algo, I can't give you a good entry price, but for the target, it can go to this top zone of this trading range again. And my favorite altcoin, it's a low cap altcoin or medium cap, better to say, MINA protocol. Here we had a spike, dropping a spike, channel here formed, and a trading range between these two zones here. And we can see a flag. First touch, second touch, and in the third touch, around 40 cents, we had to enter. Okay, it went again down, but we had to enter here. Okay, again, no problem if you didn't enter. We can here see a classic pattern of double bottom. So one bottom, second bottom, and if it breaks this zone here, which is important, around 1.24, the target can be from this, and if we copy it above, target can be 3.62 for MINA protocol. And Ethereum. Here we had a spike, panel, here for example, okay. And we already said that this first bottom of first correction is very important, and we see that it reacted. And we had a flag. First touch, second touch, and in the third touch, we had to enter around 1,600. And because whenever we see these flags, we should think about trading range. So we have a channel, we have flag. So we can guess that it's a trading range here. So I expect the price to eventually go to all-time high again. But if we zoom in daily time frame, we have had a spike, break out of these zones. Again, I'm going through this multiple corrections, so I have a channel here. From this low to this low, and also we have a resistance zone in around this price here, which we can see it formed here like sell signals to provide liquidity for the buyers, probably big buyers. Here people started to sell, ordinary people sold, and big player were buying. Okay, so the good entry price can be this zone around 2130 or this trend line. Again, nothing is financial advice. It's just my opinion about market, and it can be wrong. And finally, about Solana, again, spike, channel, yeah, channel, and this was important. So we had to buy here. If we didn't, again, we had a flag. First touch, second touch, and third touch. We had to buy at $18. And because we are seeing this flag and we have had a channel, we can guess that, okay, it can be a trading range. So I expect the price to eventually go to all-time high again. But for entry price, if we zoom in, here, this was a breakout of this, okay, and channel we had here, it formed the trading range between these two zones. Again, flag in a channel, and we broke it. So this zone around 66 can be an enterprise, or this zone around 52. And we expect the price to go to this top zone of trading range again. Okay, again, I should mention again that everything right now is risky. Buying is risky, not buying is again risky. You must accept the risk and take the action if you haven't done it already in lower prices. Okay, I hope that it helps you. My name is Khosrow Sukhanvar, trader and investor in financial market.